Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine s squared plus sine s squared equals to number 1. Now we have 1 minus cosine s squared, so I will put this one go to the right. So we have sine s squared equals to 1 minus cosine s squared. So I will put this one go in here. This one we have sine s to the power of 3. Now I will put about f of s equals to sine s to the power of 3. Now if I put about f of negative s, so I will put this one go in here. You got about negative sine of s to the power of 3. That is about negative f of s. So the function is about odd function. Because the bounds is about symmetric in here, so the integration of this one you got about 0. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.